Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. And today, I got a letter sealer. Pretty much a wax like the old school days used to have. Just order it. Not that bad. Move this to the side. I'm going to open it up and see what you get when you purchase something like this. We're going to get everything out. Markers. This is to write the letters. Old classical letters. Paper and envelopes. So you want to start writing right now during this quarantine to somebody you love, family members or something. It's a good way to give you envelopes and paper. Give you the wax, different colors of wax. And if you can see, beautiful colors they have. Multiple layers of wax, if you can see that. Then they give you the stamp. And it's a little tree. You could unscrew and buy different ones, but it's not bad. You seal it. That's pretty much how you do it. So let's put this on the side. This is to pour the wax in, pretty much a little. It's all copper. And 4 little small candles. The actual system together. So you put the candle on the bottom. It's nice and neat, little wooden little thing. Cover the candle. See how you do it. Put the wax. Choose your wax that you want. Pour it in. Leave it there. It's gonna heat up. You can see that. You can leave it there while the candle's on. And then all you have to do is pour and stamp it with your seal. You could replace this with a different one if you don't like this version. It's just pretty much a little wooden sealer. So if you want to write letters during this quarantine to somebody, give some joy to somebody and make it look old-fashioned like they used to do it back in the days. And they include everything in the kit. I like this, especially this. This is a plus. I didn't think it was going to be in there. Envelopes, beautiful little envelopes that you seal, and that's it. But different colors, of course. They don't include the paper, they just include the envelopes. Of course, markers. Let's open one up. See the tips. These are regular markers, actually. So regular markers. Regular markers, but beautiful. Silver and gold included. Not bad, not bad.
Right here. I think I did it backwards, but who cares?
Oh gosh.
We should use this one. These ones. Yes, these ones. You told me.
Did I move it?
Wait until it says. Oh wait.
I put exactly upside down.
Maybe a little less next time, but because it overflowed too much on the sides.